Hey, what's up guys? Nene here and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to price your artwork like a pro. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned artist, this guide will give you all the tips and tricks you need to set the perfect price for your artwork. First things first, let's talk about understanding the market. This is crucial when it comes to pricing your artwork. You'll need to research similar artists and see what prices they are charging for their work. Take note of their medium, size, and level of experience, as these can all affect the price of their artwork. You can also check out art galleries and exhibitions to get a sense of what buyers are willing to pay for different types of artwork. Next, let's talk about the cost of materials and the time you put into creating your artwork. Your prices should reflect the value of your time and the cost of the materials you used. For example, if you used expensive paints or canvases, your prices should reflect that. Now let's talk about your reputation as an artist. If you have a strong reputation and a following, you can charge more. However, if you are just starting out, you may need to price your artwork lower to attract buyers. When it comes to setting prices for your artwork, it's also important to consider the intended audience. For example, if you are selling your artwork to a high-end art gallery, you can charge more than if you were selling to a street fair. If you want a more in-depth course to teach you how to price your artwork step by step, click the link in the bio. This course will teach you how to price your artwork like a pro so that you can make 7 figures. Another important thing to consider when pricing your artwork is the size and medium of your art. Larger and more complex pieces will typically fetch a higher price than smaller and simpler ones. Also, artworks that are created using more expensive mediums like oil paintings or sculptures are likely to fetch a higher price than artworks created using more inexpensive mediums like pencil sketches or digital art. Additionally, it's important to consider the uniqueness of your artwork. If your artwork is one of a kind, you can charge more for it. However, if you make multiple copies of the same piece, you will have to charge less. Guys, if you want to check if you are prepared to be a millionaire artist, take the free Millionaire Artist quiz in the link below. If you want, you can also pre-order the book. When pricing your artwork, it's also important to take into account the location where you will be selling your art. If you are selling your artwork in a city where the cost of living is high, you can charge more for your artwork. Similarly, if you are selling your artwork in a city where the cost of living is low, you will have to charge less. It's also important to consider the level of competition in your area. If there are a lot of other artists selling similar artwork, you will have to price your artwork competitively. However, if there are very few artists selling similar artwork, you can charge more for your artwork. Finally, remember that pricing your artwork is not an exact science, and it's okay to adjust your prices as you go along. Don't be afraid to experiment with different pricing strategies to see what works best for you and your art. Pricing your artwork can be a daunting task, but by understanding the market, considering the cost of materials and time, considering your reputation, considering the intended audience, considering the size, medium, uniqueness, location, and level of competition, and being open to adjusting your prices, you can price your artwork like a pro. You are an artist and your artwork is valuable. Remember that we have a course below if you are having some trouble doing this the right way. Believe in yourself and your work, and you'll be sure to find buyers who appreciate it just as much as you do. Keep creating and keep growing as an artist. The world needs your unique vision. Remember, your artwork is a reflection of your unique perspective and creativity, and it is valuable because it is unique. Trust your instincts, and don't be afraid to ask for the price you deserve. Remember that pricing your artwork is an ongoing process, and you will learn and grow as an artist. Keep creating and keep learning, and you will be sure to find success as an artist. And remember, just like with anything in life, don't be afraid to take risks and put yourself out there. The more you put yourself out there, the more opportunities will come your way. So, go out there and price your artwork like a pro, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.